Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the chapter number 14, that is How Big, How Heavy. Now, the today's topic is Shahid saves the bank. So let's know who is Shahid and how does he save the bank. Shahid works in a bank. He sits at the cash counter. Here you can see. Whenever there are too many coins, he does not count them. He just weighs them. Why? Let's know the reason. By weighing is so much easier. The weight of a 5 rupee coin is 9 gram. Tell me the weight of the sack and I will tell you the number of coins in it. Yes, it's very easy method. For example, if the weight of sack is, let me take 45 kilo. So how many coins will be there of 5 rupees? So just simple convert 45 kilogram convert into gram. So 45 kilogram is equals to 45,000 gram. It will be divided by 9. 45,000 divided by 9. Why you will write it by 9 gram? Because the weight of one 5 rupee coin is 9 gram. So it will be 9 1 ja 9, 9 5 ja 45 and 1 2 3 3 0. How many zeros? 3 zeros. So it means in that sack which has 45 kilogram weight, so 5,000 coins of 5 rupees. So in this way he just weighed the sack and find its number of coins. So it's very easy now. Now my bag of 5 rupee coins weighs 9 kilogram. So how many coins does it have? So here 9 kilogram means 9,000 gram divided by 9. So it will be 1,000. So we can say that there are 1,000 5 rupees coins. And here Shahid is explaining that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 gram. So 9 kilogram is equal to 9,000 gram. If one coin weighs 9 gram, then the bag weighing 9,000 gram has 9,000 divided by 9, so is equals to 1,000 coins in it. Easy. Now, can you hold these coins and say which is the heaviest? 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. So yes, 5 rupee coin is the heaviest. Now, how many coins are there in a sack of 5 rupees coins if it weighs? A 18 kilogram, B 54 kilogram, C 4500 gram, D 2 kilogram and 250 gram, E 1 kilogram and 125 gram. Here is solution. A 18 kilogram. Weight of one coin is equals to 9 gram and 18 kilogram. So here we have to convert kilogram in gram. 18 kilogram is equals to 18,000 gram. So coins in the sack is equals to 18,000 divided by 9. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18 and 3 0. So is equals to 2,000 coins. Here B 54 kilogram. Weight of one coin is equals to 9 gram and 54 kilogram. Convert to gram. So 54 kilogram is equals to 54,000 gram. So coins in the sack 54,000 divided by 9. 9 1 ja 9. 9 6 ja 54 and 3 0. So is equals to 6,000 coins. 6,000 coins. Now C. 4,500 gram. Weight of one coin is equals to 9 gram. So weight of sack is equals to 4,500 gram. So coins in the sack is equals to 4,500 divided by 9. 9 1 ja 9. 9 5 ja 45 and 0 0. So is equals to 500 coins. 500 coins. D. 2 kilogram and 250 gram. So weight of one coin is equals to 9 gram. So weight of sack is equals to 2,250 gram. So here 2 kilogram. Kilogram convert to gram. So 2 kilogram is equals to 2,000 gram plus 250 gram. So is equals to 2,250. So weight of sack is equals to 2,250 gram. So coins in the sack is equals to 2,250 divided by 9. So 9 1 ja 9. 9 2 ja 18. 19 20 21 22. So remaining 4. 4 5 45. So 9 5 ja 45 and 0 0. So is equals to 250 coins. 250 coins. E. 1 kilogram and 125 gram. Weight of one coin is equals to 9 gram. So weight of sack 1,125 gram. So here 1 kilogram. Kilogram convert in gram. So 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 gram plus 125. So is equals to 1,125 gram. So coins in the sack 1,125 divided by 9. 9 1 ja 9. 9 1 ja 9. 10 11. Remaining 2. 2 to 22. So 9 2 ja 18. 19 20 21 22. So remaining 4. 4 5. 45. So 9 5 ja 45. So is equals to 125 coins. 125 coins. A 2 rupee coin weighs 6 gram. What is the weight of a sack with A. 2,200 coins dash kilogram dash gram, B. 3,000 coins dash kilogram. Now here is solution. A. 2,200 coins. Weight of one coin is equals to 6 gram. So weight of 2,200 coins. So is equals to 2,200 multiply 6 gram. So is equals to 13,200 gram. So here 13,200 gram. So is equals to 13,000 gram plus 200 gram. So 13,000 gram is equals to 13 kilogram and 200 gram. So 13 kilogram 200 gram. Now B. 3,000 coins. Weight of one coin is equals to 6 gram. So weight of 3,000 coins. So is equals to 3,000 multiply 6 gram. So is equals to 18,000 gram. So 18,000 gram is equals to 18 multiply 1,000 gram. So is equals to 18 kilogram. 18 kilogram. Now if 101 rupee coins weigh 485 gram, then how much will 10,000 coins weigh? Dash kilogram dash gram. So here is solution. Weight of 100 coins is equals to 485 gram. So weight of 10,000 coins, so is equals to 10,000 multiply 485 gram divided by 100. So is equals to 48,500 gram. So 48,500 gram is equals to 48,000 gram plus 500 gram. So 48,000 gram is equals to 48 kilogram and 500 gram. So 48 kilogram, 500 gram. Now with your eyes closed, can you tell which is heavier, a 100 rupee note or a 50 rupee note? Which will be heavier? This may be difficult to say, but Shahid, who cannot see, has a better sense of touch than most people. Once Shahid noticed that a bundle of notes which came to the bank felt different and heavier. He asked the manager to check. Others looked at it but found no problem. He insisted, and so a machine was brought to weigh it. It showed that the notes were fake, not real ones. "Oh Shahid, you really saved the bank," said everyone. Yes, it means in the bank there were fake notes and Shahid found it first. That how these notes are fake, we have to discuss here. Find out and discuss. How do people who cannot see make out different notes and coins? Hint: look for a shape: triangle, square, circle, rectangle, etc. on notes of rupees 20, 50, 100, 500, etc. and feel it. What should we look for to check if a 100 rupee note is real or fake? 100 rupee note. So its answer is already given down. Actually, if to check a 100 rupee note that is real or fake, what we have to do? We can check that by size, by the quality of paper, printing of this style, in which numbers are written, and also by the watermark. We can identify that the note is real or fake. Students, here we complete our chapter number 14, that is how big, how heavy. Thank you.